Hi, in this video we are going to talk about some of the key features of the Xmate Juno corded and cordless beard trimmer. This trimmer comes with a high density 2600 mAh nickel metal hydride battery for high performance trimming. You need to charge the device for 1.5 hours to get 70 minutes of cordless usage. It comes with a 32mm stainless steel blade and has 17 lock-in settings that can be accessed from the top and the bottom. 17 because 0.4 to 10, so if you count from 0.4, 0.6, etc., you get a total of 17. The trimmer is also waterproof. It comes with IPX6 water resistant rating. Last but not the least, it also comes with a 1 meter long USB charging cable. And those are some of the key features of the Xmate Juno corded and cordless beard trimmer. Thank you for watching.